Want to know what really captivates a man? A spoiler alert, it's not just your looks or your charm. It's your energy, confidence, and how you carry yourself. Here are 5 actionable tips that are going to help you magnetize his attention and why they work. Forget playing games or chasing him. Let me teach you how your dark feminine energy can make him chase you. The secret, it is your vibe. But here's the thing, there's both light and dark feminine energy. And we need them both to be well-rounded, mature feminine women that not only men can't get enough of, but feel really good for us too. The truth, honestly, I figured this out pretty early on, but I had no idea. I had no clue what I was doing. And my problem, I could get the guy easily, but keeping him obsessed with me, just couldn't do it. That was the real challenge. Why? Because I didn't fully understand what I was tapping into. And maybe this sounds familiar for you too. So take a lesson from your favorite Auntie Chels. And don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell to not miss anything in the future. All right, let's go. So let me be clear here. It's not about looking like you're on the magazine cover or having the charm of a rom-com lead. It's your energy, your confidence, and how you own your life. Let me set the scene. He either ghosts you or cancels last minute. What do? Chase him? Write a novella in his DMs? No, do not ever do that again. Instead, you say, see where you stand, and that's enough for me. Then you walk away. And why does this work? Because dark feminine energy is about holding your power. Walking away shows you don't need to beg for anyone, not their attention and not their approval. It creates a sense of mystery and strength that is intoxicating. He'll either step up or he'll step out. Either way, you are not giving your power away. Now, you might be thinking, but what if he never reaches out again? Here's the deal. If he doesn't come back to you, then he simply was not meant for you. You, my friend, just saved yourself months of frustration. Trust me, the right one, and honestly, any man of integrity will not need any convincing. Now, if you're in the early phases of dating, the courting phase, this tip is essential to set the tone for mutual respect. You're showing him you value your time and won't tolerate inconsistency. In your long-term relationship, this shifts to reinforcing boundaries while fostering open communication. Instead of walking away completely though, because honoring your commitment, devotion is incredibly sexy. This will look a little bit differently. It might look like taking a step back to reset and renegotiate expectations. Next up, be happy and confident on your own. Your dark feminine energy thrives when you prioritize yourself and your joy. Men are drawn to women who radiate independence and self-fulfillment. Here's the secret. Your happiness isn't about him. It's about you. But I get it. We love to please our men. So I'll save how to do this the right way to foster desire and create that chemistry another day. So make sure you dive into your hobbies. Nurture your friendships. Girl time is important. You can't expect your man to fill that girlfriend communication and connection. He is not your girlfriend. And you do not want him to be either, trust me. And crush your personal goals. Your thriving, joyful life is magnetic. And bonus, when you pair this happiness with a touch of vulnerability, it is game over for him. He'll be like, oh no, I'm falling for your fabulous energy. I know what you're wondering, but won't he think I don't care about him? Not at all. A confident, happy woman embodies dark feminine energy by showing that she doesn't rely on anybody to complete her. That's irresistible because when she does open up vulnerably, that shows that he's a compliment and that he's earned it. In the courting phase, this demonstrates that you're not looking for someone to complete you, but to complement you, making you that much more attractive and intriguing. In your long-term relationship, it's about maintaining your individuality and preventing codependency, ensuring that the relationship remains balanced and fulfilling, and that differentiation, the individuality and the safety of a long-term relationship, that is how you maintain sexual chemistry. Tip 3, call him out respectfully. Dark feminine energy is unapologetic about expressing needs. Let's say he's inconsistent, but instead of stewing in silence or launching into a drama-fueled rant, you can say something like, I noticed specific thing that he's doing. I just want to understand where you're at. Boom! Boundaries, my friends, are sexy. Addressing issues directly shows confidence and emotional maturity. Men are like, wait, she's calm, clear, and doesn't do drama? I need to level up. Now you're probably thinking, what if he gets defensive? That's okay. It's not your job to control his reaction. Dark feminine energy teaches us to be clear about what we need without over-explaining or shrinking ourselves. If he can't handle a respectful conversation, he's showing you his limits. Believe him. In the courting phase, this sets the standard for honesty and clarity early on, ensuring that you're both on the same page. In your long-term relationship, it evolves an open line of communication to navigate challenges as you grow together. Tip 4, own your uniqueness. Dark feminine energy is about celebrating your authentic self. Listen, authenticity beats perfection every time. Stop trying to fit into someone else's box and embrace your quirks, your bold opinions, and that weird hobby that you love to do. Confidence is magnetic, and when you're unapologetically yourself, the right man will be drawn to you like bees to honey, baby. And the wrong ones, well, see you later. See you never. But what if my quirks scare him off? Something I've heard before. And honestly, when I was younger, I used to think like that too. And truthfully, then he's just not the one. Dark feminine energy is not about dimming your light for anyone. The right partner will celebrate you, what makes you unique, not shy away or call you too much, because then clearly they're just not enough. You know the saying, your vibe attracts your tribe. Well, think of your energetic tone like your bird call for your man. In the courting phase, owning your uniqueness helps to filter out the wrong matches while drawing in someone who genuinely appreciates you. And then in your long-term relationship, it's about continuing to embrace and share your growth and evolution, keeping the connection fresh, alive, and authentic. And finally, number 5, refuse to play games. Dark feminine energy does not engage in an emotional tug of war. If he pulls back, don't chase or overthink. Just give him the space to figure his stuff out while you, well, keep doing you. And check out this video about how to give your man space if this is challenging for you. Babe, when you stay calm and grounded, you're showing him that you are not here for the drama. And guess what? That inspires him to step up without the chaos. I hear you. What if he thinks, I don't care because I'm not chasing him? Let me tell you, a high quality man will not confuse calmness with indifference. Dark feminine energy shows maturity, and a grounded presence inspires respect. Even when we are wild in our emotions, we're still able to hold our composure. Now, in the courting phase, this prevents unnecessary confusion and sets the tone for a mature, drama-free dynamic. In long-term relationship, it's about avoiding manipulative behaviors and fostering a stable, trusting partnership. Here's the secret, ladies. Dark feminine energy is all about being confident, self-assured, and genuine. Implement these tips and you'll not only captivate him, but also create a dynamic where respect and attraction thrive. With the real win, you'll be living your best, most empowered life regardless of who's around. So go on, mamas, shine bright and let the right ones crave you. And hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more from your Auntie Chels. And see you next time.